Sean, you be going too much.
You're protecting that woman too, Crucius? Unfortunately, I'm out of patience. Step aside or I'll make you.
Can't do that. You've already lost your cool once. I can't risk you getting any closer.
Oh? You think you've seen me lose my cool? If that were the case, you'd be dead. Then there would be nothing left here but ashes.
Did you know that Benimaru's evolution into a true demon lord was halted because there was a condition that, once he evolved, it would prevent him from having children? He decided to first fulfill his patriarchal duty as an ogre. This is where Momiji and Alvis come into the picture, expressing their desire to marry Benimaru. At first, he planned to wed only Momiji, given that Rimuru had banned polygamy in Tempest, with the exception of widowed women who could remarry. To overcome this law, Alvis had already married Phobio and challenged him to a duel to the death in the labyrinth. If Phobio won, she would remain married to him. However, she defeated and revived Phobio. According to Tempest's laws, Alvis became a widow, thus making her eligible to become Benimaru's second wife. Benimaru accepted their love, and ultimately, he married both Momiji and Alvis. Before evolving into a true demon lord, he ensured that both Momiji and Alvis became pregnant.